The highly anticipated release date of GPT-5 has been leaked, and it's sending shockwaves through the tech industry. The possibility of GPT-5 surpassing human intelligence has left many to wonder what it means for the future of AI jobs and human relevance. As we move closer to a future where AI surpasses human capabilities, the question remains, what will happen to the jobs currently held by humans? Will we see a mass exodus of workers as AI takes over? Or will we see a shift towards new and innovative industries that we can't yet imagine? One thing is for sure. The release date of GPT-5 is a wake-up call for humanity to reevaluate its relationship with technology and the impact it has on our daily lives. With the leak of GPT-5's release date, we're forced to confront the reality of a future where AI is not just a tool, but a dominant force that will shape the course of human history. But what does this mean for the average worker? Will they be replaced by AI, or will they have the opportunity to adapt and thrive in a world where technology is rapidly advancing?
To understand the implications of GPT-5's release, we need to take a step back and look at the broader picture. The development of AI is not just about creating intelligent machines. It's about understanding the complex relationships between humans, technology, and the environment. As we hurtle towards a future where AI is omnipresent, we need to consider the long-term consequences of our actions and whether we're prepared for the challenges that lie ahead. One of the key concerns surrounding GPT-5 is its potential to automate jobs that are currently held by humans. While some may see this as a positive development, others are worried about the impact it will have on the workforce and the economy as a whole. But what about the jobs that can't be automated? Will we see a shift towards more creative and high-skilled industries, or will we struggle to adapt to a world where AI is the dominant force? The answer to these questions will shape the course of human history, and it's up to us to ensure that we're prepared for the challenges that lie ahead.
As we delve deeper into the world of AI, it's clear that there are two opposing views. One that sees AI as a tool to augment human capabilities, and another that sees it as a threat to human relevance. But what about the controversy surrounding GPT-5's release date? Is it a publicity stunt, or does it have deeper implications for the AI industry? We'll explore the world of AI and uncover the truth behind the controversy surrounding GPT-5's release date. From the perspectives of AI researchers, industry experts, and everyday workers, we'll examine the impact of AI on human jobs and the economy as a whole. Will GPT-5 be the final nail in the coffin for human jobs, or will it be a stepping stone towards a brighter future? One thing is for sure. The release date of GPT-5 is a turning point in human history, and it's up to us to decide what we want the future to look like.
As we look to the future, it's clear that the impact of GPT-5 will be far-reaching and profound. From the jobs we hold to the industries we work in, the release date of GPT-5 will shape the course of human history in ways we can't yet imagine. But what about the potential benefits of GPT-5? Will it bring about a new era of productivity and innovation? Or will it exacerbate existing social and economic inequalities? The answer to these questions will depend on how we choose to use GPT-5 and whether we're willing to adapt to a world where AI is the dominant force. As we move towards a future where AI is omnipresent, it's up to us to ensure that we're prepared for the challenges that lie ahead and that we use technology to augment human capabilities, not replace them.
So what can we do to prepare for the release of GPT-5? How can we ensure that we're not left behind in a world where AI is rapidly advancing? The answer lies in education and adaptability. We need to invest in programs that teach workers new skills and help them adapt to a rapidly changing job market. We also need to encourage innovation and entrepreneurship, creating new industries and jobs that we can't yet imagine. By doing so, we can ensure that the release date of GPT-5 is not the final nail in the coffin for human jobs, but rather a stepping stone towards a brighter future. So, if you're ready to join the conversation and explore the implications of GPT-5's release date, then you're in the right place. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and commentary on the world of AI and technology.